slow down a little bit.
Decent. Not keeper size.
You need to slow the fuck down.
There's another controller here. As soon as I let it up, he hit it. I don't think he's big enough. It's definitely nicer.
That's it for the maps. I wonder if we should try one of them worms, Joe.
You can give it a shot. Oh, there we go. Not a very good hook set. That was a big sunny.
Think this will work? Or is that too heavy? Should I put a smaller one on there?
Ooh, that one's probably too heavy.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, there we go. That one feels better.
There's what, 4 to none?
Yep.
Yeah. Fucking drop me off at the bank.
We're close enough, you can swim.
No qualms about that. Just bring my cell phone back here.
Oh!
Those are trout. Those are trout rising.
Jeez, oh man.
Did you see that fucking palomino come up there?
I did.
Maybe we have. Too bad we don't have no fucking. Look at this fucking bullshit. Fucking grasshopper's weedless.
Take the hooks off them.
I don't even think it's the hooks, it's the bill that catches the fucking thing.
There we go. Oh, jeepers. Spit that thing at me. For me.
Not for me so much. Same lure, same idea. Just one guy catching, the other guy, and that guy's gonna end up going swimming so the other guy can catch some fish. That's what's gonna happen. We used to go that fucker and just snag fucking perch out of there like crazy with minis.
Yeah.
Of course, that was late in the year too. We probably ought to go down there and try it.
He hit good. There we go.
Pissing me off. I'm about ready to fucking go home. It's not funny.
I've been there.
I am not laughing at all.
that's a bigger.
What are you doing that you're catching the fish? I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
They're catching on the movement. So that's definitely a bigger one.
On the what?
They're catching it while it's moving.
Yeah, well, I'm doing the same fucking thing too.
That one's definitely a bigger
Of
one.
course, you're in the front of the boat, so you're catching everything before I get there.
Oh.
About me in the back of the boat.
I'm pretty sure that's a keeper.
What's the matter?
So I'm pretty sure that one's a keeper.
Fuck, it's going on.
Yep. Don't catch many keepers down here. Well, it's nice to catch one every once in a while. There you go. Nice. Congrats.
Wow. He's up under the bottom lip.
He was right on the edge. Oop. Yeah, they're hitting it while it's moving.
Yeah, you keep saying that, but I keep mine moving and then I catch shit.
Uh-oh.
I didn't
He
keep
just went
getting
right
to
through
a
the
hole
fucking
before.
weeds.
Huh?
So he just went right through the weeds. Oh.
That one hit that right on top.
Yeah,
That's a nice sized fish.
maybe.
You want a keeper?
He might be.
There's no fucking way. There's no way that's fucking 12 inches. Anywhere close to 10. Look, you can jump around, or you can go back in the water. It's your choice.
Sunny. Whew, that's a big sunny.
Yeah, pretty sure we're not even remotely close.
I'm guessing you're at least 11.
10 and a half.
Did you get one?
Oh my god, that's huge. Holy cow. That's a big fish. You might want to get the net, Joe.
Yep.
Oh my god, is that a big fucking fish? Holy balls.
Alright,
I don't know what that is, but it's fucking huge.
I'm gonna put the anchor on. Just so you don't have to fight.
Oh my good god, you see the size of that fucking
Nope,
thing?
I did not. Ooh, that's a big one.
He ain't hooked too good.
Just get him in there nice and easy.
I fucking ran again. Under the boat to boot. Come on. There he is. Holy monster. Holy shit.
There, you done bitching now?
Holy God. I thought I had a freaking snag. I was like, you gotta
That's
be
a
kidding
monster.
me. I didn't think they had bass in here that big. Holy shit! Now don't you go jumping around.
That's a nice one. You gonna keep it?
You think I should?
Yeah. I figure, well.
My good God, I want to know what that thing weighs.
Look at those. Look at that belly.
Oh my God.
Throw that down there on the...
Did you bring your camera with you?
My what?
Your camera, your phone. It's 17,
17.
almost 18.
Nice. Yeah, I got my phone.